at this guy with the umbrella. Wow. The water is almost up to his knees. There are people in the street playing and swimming.
I would be too.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
So if I tell you I didn't make it,
there's a current. There's a
this is why.
A rapid water current going across the airline right now. I want to email this to the news if I ever make it back home. Shows chart right here.
It looks like there's less water up there. See? Right here, this one. Careful with this car.
Oh my goodness, are you serious, dude? You can zoom in on it by pressing up on the circle.
Oh, your windshield wipers.
She looks scared. State Trooper made it.
Where does he? Oh, he's up on that thing.
Yeah, he's just waiting for people to get stuck. In shallow water, though, I think. Stick your hand out of the window and get videotape of how deep it is up. Not that deep right now.
No, it's better.